Hello everyone, I welcome you all on the YouTube channel of digital magazine The Parascience. Now I have brought to you a very special healing technique with the ancient symbol Antekarna. In this time, in this era of no time, absolutely no time for long and complicated processes of healing, everybody is searching for a shortcut to heal on wider aspect of life without introspecting the karmas. Such a wonderful process is healing with the Antakarna, which helps you to resolve karma on a multiple levels. And but let's first understand what is Antakarna, and then we can proceed to how to heal with Antakarna, and after that, effects of this healing. Antekarna is a Sanskrit word made up of antah plus karna, which means inner instrument or organ of consciousness, the seat of thought and feelings. In simple terms, it is the gut or the zamir. It is the link between Jivatma and Paramatma, which acts like a bridge for navigation between the two. And see, Atma and Jivatma and Paramatma are like two parrots sitting on the same branch of a tree, and they are communicating. You need to check whether in your horoscope these are communicating or not. And if they are not communicating, or what way they are communicating, it's very important to know and to rectify it. So if you want to know whether this is happening in your chart or not, you can contact me. And with this, in Vedantic literature, this Antekarna is organized into four parts. First is Ahankara, that is the ego. It is identified as the Atman, the self, with the body as I. Buddhi, the intellect. It is the discrimination power that controls the decision making of a human being. Third is manas, the mind. It controls our will, desires, and karma inputs. And the last one is chitta, the memory. It deals with the remembering and forgetting and the sanskaras, storing of sanskaras. Antekarna is the entire psychological process composing various mind levels working together as a whole. So, healing Antekarna will heal on all these four levels. It heals the connective knot of Atma and mind. So, it heals the sanskaras reflecting bad habits, belief patterns, etc. Memory gets sharpened. Brain is blessed by enhanced intelligence. Its critical filter works in terms of filtering the input signals in a better way to curb the encrypted bad karmas. Most importantly, it connects the Atma to the Ishtadeva. And of course, helps downloading the divine guidance in better way. Since it is a connecting bridge, it heals the karmic cords between people. Antekarna symbol is a multi-dimensional symbol, but in two dimensions, drawing it looks like a hexagon with three sevens inside a circle, just like a Celtic triscaler symbol. While it gives an effect of revolving cube around one of its diagonals when seen in 3D, this evolution in the form of sacred geometry helps the consciousness to access the higher self. It is very ancient symbol and have been found in use in various spiritual sects. My Reiki 3 students, first time meditating on this symbol, have narrated almost similar experiences of entering in the rhythm and space of microcosmos. They tell us like they are traveling through the universes and connecting to their higher self and Ishtdev while doing Antakarna healing meditation. So it's very important tool for connecting to your Ishtdev. There are various energy grid arrangements in which these symbols work for the enhanced benefits. And while One of such arrangement is this cross grid, which consists of 7 vertical and 7 horizontally crossing antakarnas at one common symbol. Thus, total of 13 symbols are arranged in a cross. This grid has the power of flower of life and works out on all 7 chakras. As you can see, these are arranged in vertical and horizontally in the form of 7 chakras and sheets. It is excellent shield to protect from any evil energies and attacks. There is another kind of arrangement, Antekarna square. This is the grid arrangement of 16 symbols in a 4 by 4 grid pattern. It is a great creator power that converts all manifestations into reality. This grid is best tool for grounding and creating what you want. And there are the two more symbols which are slightly differentiated for male and female symbols. This male yang symbol and female yin symbol versions, they are not much different given by many masters. They look like same revolving anti-clock. But in my meditations, the symbol giving feeling of anti-clockwise rotation is a yang symbol, and it flips along the vertical axis to give a mirror image rotating clockwise to give a yin symbol. So you can see there is difference. This is my opinion, my experience, and this yang symbol works better for the yang chakras, direct, intense, and penetrating energy, acute problems, etc. While this the symbol on the left of the screen is the yin symbol, works better for yin chakras, gentler, relaxing, nurturing energy, and chronic issues. Now let's understand the various ways in which Antakarna symbol can benefit you in the form of healing. So performing Tratak and meditating on this symbol is the prime way of getting maximum blessings. This symbol is the universal spiritual symbol and can be used by anybody without attunement. While all the above mentions healing processes like cord healing, 4 levels of Antakarna healing, I have already told you, enhancing intelligence, karma filtration, controlling the inputs from 5 senses, to get rid of addictions, bad habits, reprogramming the critical filter of subconscious mind, fighting any kind of disease, connecting to the higher self and Ishtadev, divine guidance. These are all facilitated by visualizing this symbol during the healing process or by Tratak. Uh, Although this symbol seems to be very difficult for drawing, so you can use the print of this symbol, which can be placed in gold manifestation crystal grid healing. It can be carved or painted on the crystals or items used to be used for healing. Its print can also be installed at various places requiring healing, like below mattress, on study table, in seat cushion for asan for sitting, or for any other place with the vastu flaws. Symbol print or drawing can be kept in your purse or wallet to attract more money. So I hope you like and you will practice this. Thank you for being with me for this nice article, and see you for next videos. And thank you. Please subscribe the channel.